Alright, man. Thanks for tuning in to another one of my videos today. Hey. Golf cart man back at it. Alright, man. Today I'm going to show you how to check the oil on an E-Z-GO golf cart. This is a 6-seater, but you need E-Z-GO with the Kawasaki engine. It's about the same thing. The dipstick's right here. Pull it out. I wipe it on my pants because they're work pants. The wife don't like it because they get in the washing machine, but it is what it is. And the oil's so clear and different you can barely see it. But you can see on there you got, let's see. There you go. You got a line there for H. You want the oil right there where the H is at. And you put oil in the same spot where you check it at. Make sure you don't put the dipstick in backwards, because if you put it in backwards, you'll break it off, and you won't never get it out without breaking it. All right, man. Subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.